Cat Bear. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we love to share heartwarming stories of love and friendship. Today, we are going to talk about a unique creature called the cat bear. The cat bear, a hybrid of a cat and a bear, is a symbol of love and friendship. It's a representation of the unbreakable bond between two individuals. Much like the love between a cat and its owner, the cat bear is a reminder that love and friendship can transcend boundaries and create something truly special. So, let's celebrate this beautiful creature and the love it represents. Share your stories of love and friendship with us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, love is all around us.